The editing options for images in Dropbox is limited just like for text, but however, let's see the ones that are actually there. So now over here, the first thing that you notice is as you click on an image, you have an option to write a caption. So let's say, for example, I'm going to say something like cool weather right there, and there's the caption for the image. So it's easy as that. If you were to click on the image, you can see that you can swap this out. You can click on this to replace it with another image of your choice as well, just like this. You can comment on a specific area. So you can select this area right over here and say comment right over here so that it's easy to collaborate right over there. There's also option to add comment. There's comment on specific area and overall comment right over here, just like this. So I can add in comment. If I want to change the layout, that is the order of the images, I can simply click and drag it somewhere else, and that's how you can rearrange the images out there. So that's how you can work around with the images over here. So if there's a lot of images, there's not much you can do. But if I want to drag it out, let's say I can drag out the images right here. And as you see this line, you can see that this is how you can arrange out the image. And once you go in, you can actually do this. So once you actually select that image right over there, what happens is that you can select out different areas. Like for example, you can left align it right over here. You can center align it. You can right align it right over here. Or you can do a full width image which fills up the entire screen just like that. Over here, you also have an option to replace the image and comment on specific area and add in comments. So there's no like handle to resize or anything, but you can go over here and drag it to different places right over here, drag it in between right over here as well, as you can see. So that's how you can work around with the images right over here, just like that. So that is how you work around with this. You can comment and rearrange the images, and that's it. That's how you can format and work around with images. And to delete the image, you can simply select it and press the delete key on your keyboard, and that is how you can delete it. You can also go over here. Another neat feature is you can double click and you can view the images in the document as a gallery, as you can see as well. So that's something you can do with the images feature once you actually import it into Dropbox Paper. So that's how you can work with images inside of Dropbox Paper. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.